What's up, guys? Dope Tunes here, Dope Tunes on the track, and I love good music. One and only tunes. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fund your Distrokid account. And if you're from Nigeria and you have issues funding your Distrokid account, this is for you. Let's go, guys.
Here's one of the messages I got from one of my subscribers, Raymond Oni. There's actually a whole lot of them. It's actually a whole lot of them, like 2, 3 or thereabout. So this is for you all the issues you have in trying to fund your Distrokid account. I'll solve it all today.
The last video I created, a few of my subscribers, they reached out to me that they had issues funding their Distrokid account. So this is for you. And then a quick reminder, this video is sponsored by Distrokid. In case if you don't know what Distrokid is now, watch my last video. Use my link below, sign up, so you can get 7% off your first sign up, okay? And start monetizing your music and start making money off your music. Thanks. To be able to fund your Distrokid account and you're from Nigeria, there are so many ways you can go about it, but I will show you this simplest way. Like, this is the simplest way that you can go about funding your Distrokid account, and it's so easy. It's very easy. So you make use of Cheaper. Okay, this is what you need to do. You sign up for Cheaper. You download the app. If you're an Android user or you're an iOS user, so you download the app in your phone. So once you download the app, you sign up and you create an account with Cheaper. So once you're able to create an account with Cheaper, the next thing you need to do is to create a dollar card. So once you're able to create a dollar card, then your problem is all solved. Okay. But meanwhile, I'll walk you through the processes and also how you can go about funding your card and also exchanging the Naira to dollar with Cheaper for you to be able to fund your Distrokid account, making use of the Cheaper app. Okay, let's go.
Okay, here is the Cheaper app, as you can see. Okay, so right now I'm on Android. Okay, it's loading up. So you put your password. So in case if you're new to this interface, what you need to do is to create an account with Cheaper, verify your account, then create a dollar card. Okay, then fund your account. Then if you want to fund your account, you go to add cash. Then you can see the account number, 9 Payment Bank. Then you can see the bank name. Straight up, you send money to your bank account. So once you're done, the money reflects here. So as you can see, I have 10,000 Naira in this Cheaper account. So I'll be using it to show you how to fund your dollar card and also how to exchange the Naira to dollar. Okay, as you can see, I have $2.64 left in my dollar card. If I want to top my card, first of all, I have to convert this 10,000 Naira to dollar. So you click on convert, go to convert, you see it there. Then as you can see, they sell $1 per 1,227 Naira. You can see 01 kobo. So $21 is like 25,000 Naira, 767 Naira, 21 kobo. So depending on how much the Distrokid subscription is, so you have to make sure you have up to that amount in your Naira account for you to be able to convert it to the dollar. Okay. You can see, confirm. I just converted my 10,000 Naira to dollar. So the worth is $8.15 at the exchange rate of 1,227 Naira, 01 kobo. Okay. So once you've succeeded in converting the Naira to dollar, now you go to your card, see the option card, then you go to click on top up. You click on top up. Then you add the dollar amount you have left in your account, or maybe the dollar amount that you just exchanged. Okay. You see, $1.15. Confirm it. Then straight up confirm. Okay. Done. So watch this. Immediately it reflects $10.79. Okay. So now what you need to do is just go to show card details. You get your card details, then input it in the Distrokid details, card details. Then once you input it there, straight up, you're charged.
Thanks for watching the video. Do hit the like button, drop a comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be dropping more contents like this. Peace, yeah. Bless.